Welcome! Are you looking to take control of your Instagram experience and prevent unwanted mentions? In this tutorial, we'll walk you through the updated steps to ensure that only the people you want can mention you on Instagram. Let's dive right in. First, open the Instagram app on your smartphone. Locate the app icon on your home screen and tap it to launch. Once you're in, you'll be greeted by your feed. Next, click on your profile at the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you to your personal profile page, where you can see all your posts and account information. Now look for the More icon, which is represented by 3 horizontal lines at the top right corner of your profile page. Tap on this icon to access a menu with various options related to your account settings. From the menu, scroll down until you find Tags and Mentions. This section is crucial for managing who can tag or mention you in their posts and stories. Once you tap on it, you'll see different options regarding mentions. Under the Who Can Mention You section, you'll notice that by default, it may be set to allow mentions from everyone. If you're looking to limit this, simply select Don't Allow Mentions. This action will prevent anyone from tagging or mentioning you in their posts or comments. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you've successfully adjusted your settings to enhance your privacy on Instagram. No more unwanted notifications or tags cluttering your experience. Remember, maintaining control over who can mention you is essential for a more enjoyable social media experience. If you found this guide helpful, feel free to share it with friends who might benefit from these privacy tips. Thanks for watching.